Can criminal charges be filed after an acquittal in a criminal case? In recent news, a question is capturing attention across the country. Can criminal charges be filed after a person has been acquitted in a criminal case? This topic is timely and relevant, especially for those following high-profile trials. Many people are curious about the legal protections in place after a not guilty verdict. Generally, once a defendant is acquitted, the principle of double jeopardy comes into play. This principle, rooted in the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution, protects individuals from being tried twice for the same crime. After a not guilty verdict, criminal charges for the same conduct typically cannot be refiled. However, there are exceptions to this rule that are important to understand. Charges for a different offense arising from the same facts may be filed if they are legally distinct crimes. For instance, if an individual is acquitted of theft, they could still face charges for a related but different crime, such as fraud. Additionally, separate sovereigns can file charges independently for the same act. This means that both state and federal governments can pursue their own cases without violating double jeopardy. For example, if a person is acquitted in a state court, the federal government may still pursue charges for federal offenses related to the same incident. Another factor to consider is the emergence of new evidence. If new evidence comes to light that supports different charges, prosecutors may pursue those charges. This situation can lead to new cases that were not part of the original trial. In some rare cases, if an acquittal was based on a procedural error or misconduct, higher courts may order a new trial. However, this is not common and is subject to strict legal standards. Lastly, while criminal charges cannot be refiled after acquittal for the same offense, civil actions related to the same conduct may still proceed. This means that a person acquitted in a criminal trial could still face a civil lawsuit for damages. In summary, while an acquittal generally prevents refiling criminal charges for the same offense due to double jeopardy protections, there are specific circumstances where different charges may be pursued. Individuals facing such situations should consult with a criminal defense attorney to understand their rights and options.